Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust mirrors in your Toyota CHR. First, find the mirror control switch on your driver's side door panel. To adjust the left mirror, turn the selector knob to the L position. Then, use the four-way directional pad to move the mirror glass until you achieve your desired view. Once the left mirror is set, simply turn the knob to R and repeat the process for the right-hand side mirror. For optimal safety, adjust your side mirrors so that you can just barely see the side of your own Toyota CHR. This helps to expand your field of vision and significantly reduce blind spots. Aim to have the horizon line appear roughly in the middle of the mirror. This setup provides a broad view of the lanes next to you, making lane changes much safer. Now, let's set your rearview mirror. First, make sure you are seated in your normal driving position. Then, manually adjust the rearview mirror so that it perfectly frames the entire rear window of your Toyota CHR. You want a clear, unobstructed view of everything directly behind your vehicle. Ensure the mirror is stable and doesn't vibrate, providing a consistent image while you are driving. Before you start driving, always perform a quick final check of all three mirrors. Confirm that you have clear and comprehensive views to the rear and both sides of your Toyota CHR. Proper mirror adjustment is a simple yet crucial step that significantly enhances your overall driving safety. Make it a habit to check your mirror settings regularly, especially if someone else has driven your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.